it's now time to upload the iOS credentials. But the thing is, we need Apple developer account, because you need to purchase the Apple developer account to put your iOS credentials. So in my case, I have the developer account, but if you don't have, we recommend you to go on Apple developer program, and you have to enroll it as an individual or your organization. It's up to you. So I have the account, so let's get started. First, we have to set up the push key. So how we can do it? We just have to go on this link. Now here we have to enter any name, but I'll give the same name used here. And in case if this name is already in use, you can use 1 or 2, it's up to you. Now the third step is we have to check the Apple push notification service and click on configure. Now here we have to use production. If you are making it for the first time, I'll recommend you with the sandbox and production. Now click on save. Now we just have to click on continue, then click on register, and you have to save this somewhere very carefully. So please add it somewhere in Notepad because we might need it. I'll click the download and I'll download it and move it inside a folder for .p8 file. So I'll keep it the folder name as p8. Okay, so we have to note the key ID which is shown, and we have to upload it into the export app, which we will do it later on in this video. So this file is downloaded, so I'll just mark it. Now the next step is, for building your app you need distribution certificate. Now there are two ways to do it. First, you can go into your MacBook. You can just go into the certificate assistant and you can request. So for that you can just Google it. But now I'm just going with this flow, even though I have MacBook, but to demonstrate for all users, it is better to choose this. So I will enter the details, email ID which is associated with your Apple account. So please use that email, and the name which you have used inside your developer account. Then you have to click on generate CSR. So please make sure the email ID should be associated with your developer account. That's a very important step. Now I'll download the zip file and extract the zip file. I'll give a folder name and save it, and also click here to unzip it. Okay. Next we have to upload that file into the Apple and download the SIR file. So here we click. Here I have to select the Apple distribution, click on continue. Here we have to upload the file. So I'll select the file, click on open, click on continue, and click on download. Now I have the SIR file, so we have to upload the SIR file here. and we have to give a password. So I'll just use 1234 and convert to, and also I will give the folder name as converts to .p12 to remember that this file is there. I'll click on new folder, giving the folder name as this, and click on save. Now we have the zip file again. We can click and it will extract. Okay, so now we have the .p12 file ready, and we have to use this password later on, so please save it. Now the next step is provisioning profile. We have to click on Apple Developer Identifiers. Now inside the app ID, we have to continue. We have to select app, continue. Okay, now inside the bundler ID, we have to add this. So I'll add this, and also we have to check these capabilities. So I'll search it, enable it, search it, enable it. Now we have to click on associated domains. And we enable this one also, and then we have to register this. So for registration, I'll add the description. Click on register. Now we have successfully registered the app ID. Now it's time to create the profile. So I'll click here. We have to select App Store Connect. Click on continue. Now we have to select the app ID, which is exact match. So I'll copy paste. Click on continue. Here we have to select the latest one. So in my case, it's this one, and click on continue. Now you have to give the profile name. So here you can see, so I'll give the same name and click on generate and click on download, and I'll make a folder provisioning profile, create and save. Now we have the mobile provision file. Okay, now since we get everything here, now it's time we should create the app store. So let's go into the App Store Connect. Let's click on plus, new app, select iOS, give your app a name, choose primary language. So in my case, I am going with English US currently. Now it's time to choose the bundle ID, and we can give SKU. So I'll keep the same. I'll give user access full and click on create. Okay, since our app is also created, I'll click here in the APIs. Please note the issuer ID somewhere. It will be required later on. and we need to create a key with admin access, and you have to download it. So I'll save it. Apple API, I create a folder and save it there. Okay, perfect. This step is also done. Now the final steps are very easy. We just need to add the Apple ID, which is under the general information of the app. So let's go back into the app. Inside the general, we have to go inside the app information, and we have to copy this Apple ID, come back and save it. Perfect. Now it's time to upload every files we have downloaded inside the Expo credentials. So for that, we have to go again to the expo.dev. Select your project from the drop down, go inside the credentials, click on get started, click on next. Now here we have to add the bundle identifier. So I'll copy it, paste it, click on next, then keep App Store, click on next. Here we have to upload the distribution certificate. So the converted file, you have to upload it here with the password. Click on next. Now we have to upload the mobile provision. Click on next. Now we have to upload the P8 file. Please upload the P8 file which you have downloaded earlier, not the Apple API P8 file, where we saved the key ID and we have to add the Apple team ID. So you can just go inside the developer account and you can, inside your membership, you might find inside your membership details of developer account, you will find your team ID. Please enter it here, click on next. Now we have to upload the Apple API key ID so that we can submit to the App Store. Please paste the issuer ID. Please go to App Store Connect Apple.com Access Integrations API. Back to this page. Here you can see the name which we have entered and the key identifier, so which is key ID. Now click on next. Click on submit. And all the credentials are valid and uploaded. Okay. For this configuration to test, you can also click here to recheck, and here it will automatically say the push notification is ready and build is ready. If you get in any trouble, please reach us from the settings and we might help you to set up the credentials. Thank you for watching this video.